Hello everyone, welcome to Sprynt. This past weekend, our group worked really hard to build a great website, but unfortunately, we've run into some multiple issues trying to push it into production. Thankfully, our real project, Sprynt, an AI on-call assistant for software engineering teams, is here to help. Being on call is probably something that every engineer dreads. It means jumping on a late night incident call, trying to piece together what changed, assigning tasks on the fly, searching through commits. It's a whole nightmare. So we really think that our project is going to have significant impact on software engineering. So let's imagine this is a real incident. It's 2 a.m., our product is failing in production, and the team just joined a Zoom call to figure out what's going on. You're going to hop on Sprynt, sign into your account, and then you're going to see a dashboard that shows all of your incidents in the past. So let's create a new incident for this unfortunate event. So we'll call it HooHacks. And the severity of the incident, obviously very important. And then you hook it up to your repository. So I already have our website's repository hooked up to this. Then you paste in the meeting link, which is really important for Sprynt to help you out. And then you start the incident. So as we can see, Sprynt AI has joined the call.
Hey everyone, and thank you for joining me in today's meeting. As you already know, we encountered a lot of issues in our production of our inventory and order management website. So really quickly, can we go over some of the issues that we were seeing?
Yeah, so while I was looking over the code before, I saw maybe a possible issue within our time zone scheduling, so we definitely want to look into that.
I also looked through the code base last night, and something I saw was we didn't handle duplicate order IDs very well. That led to a lot of overflow. That's something we really need to fix.
All right, thanks for the feedback, guys. So I'm going to be assigning each of you tasks to complete today based on what I've heard. So first, Chetan, you own the payment and inventory reliability issues. So Chetan, I want you to add a basic retry policy and define failure behavior so checkout doesn't hard fail. Then Anurag, I want you to take platform stability. So Anurag, I want you to fix the problem with the cache growing too large and patch the DB connection leak path. Finally, Kanishk, I want you to fix the refund scheduler time zone mismatch. And also Kanishk, clean up the order error logging path so every failure has context.
So as we can see, Sprynt AI listened in on the team's conversation, and it created a bunch of tasks based on what the team talked about. We see Chetan has assigned tasks, Soham has assigned tasks, Anurag has assigned tasks. These automatically sync up with Jira, as we can see here, and Jira is something that's used by many software engineering teams around the world. So we no longer need these project management roles as well. Furthermore, Sprynt also does a deep dive into your code base while you're discussing what the issue is. It gives you the top list of the suspect files in your code base for what the possible issues in production were. And you can go through these along with the evidence and the commit and all this detail. And you can see the highlighted lines, and you are even able to generate a fix. As we can see, Sprynt generated a fix for us, and it explains why this change, risk notes, and it even shows the diffs here. And from here, we can apply to a branch, we can open PR, we can do so many things. Again, Sprynt is connected to your GitHub repo, it's connected to your Jira, it automatically assigns tasks, automatically updates your code bases. In the future, we're gonna connect it to Notion, Slack, Teams, and overall, we're completely confident that Sprynt AI is going to take over software engineering and completely reduce all the complexity of being on call. Thank you.